What's up, Cooking with Kunchi family? Check this out, man. We are going to be showing you guys how to make some dino ribs on the offset smoker. And now remember, if you have never seen my page before, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you're returning and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. Make sure you go to the link in the description. Check out all the equipment that I use and everything that I have in my Amazon store. Go up to my website, subscribe to my email list. We send out a recipe every Monday. All right, so we have this, and this is just my backyard offset. It's custom. No big name. It's just a propane tank. It's on a trailer, and I had a guy do it up. So we have some dino ribs here. These are ones that I got from Sam's Club, the 3-bone dino ribs, seasoned overnight with my homemade salt, pepper, onion, and garlic blend. That rub will be detailed down below in the description. You guys can go check that out. And we're just letting this run with mesquite for the first few hours. Checking out that clean smoke. No spritzing, no binders on my meat either. We're just letting this run. So right here we got the big boy fired up. We are running just over 200. We want to get that up to 225. I'm going to show you guys how we run the fire today. So we've been smoking with mesquite, and right now we're just going to continue with oak because we're done smoking. We're about to wrap these ribs up. I'm going to put couple pieces of oak on here. You can remove the bark if you want. You can notice that right now the wood is already on fire, already going, because we had it preheated up here, right? Not something you must do, but I like that. I like to get that. So right now it's time to show you guys what these ribs are looking like. Now this is 3 hours in on these dino ribs. Man, they're looking fabulous. See, have not done anything to them besides just let them stay in the smoke. No seasoning was on the back. Kept the membrane on there. Really solid pullback. Man, beautiful color, right? All 4 racks with the salt, pepper, garlic. Yeah, baby. Everybody looking good from front to back. So now we're gonna wrap these up. So stay tuned so you see the finished product. Now after we wrap them up, we're gonna throw them back in the smoker. At this point, if you don't want to keep messing with the offset, you can go and just tuck these in your oven. That won't hurt it at all. You already locked in all that smoke flavor. It's gonna be good. So I wrap my beef ribs in butcher paper, and the ending of the ribs is gonna be the most important step. You have to push these really far, like past where you would do brisket. So you want these to go 205, 207, or even 210, but you want these to be probe tender. Very important. You gotta have these probe tender. If they're not probe tender, they're gonna be chewy. You don't want that with your beef ribs. So we're gonna rest these for about 45 minutes to an hour. You don't need a lot of rest on these because they're a relatively small cut, even though, you know, a rib looks big, but in comparison to like a brisket or a pork butt, it's not as big. So we're gonna let these rest. We're just gonna stick these in the oven 30-45 minutes. You can even keep these on the counter because it's not a long rest, and then you can slice into these and enjoy it with your family. Take those bones, man, and save them. If you don't have any dogs, save those bones and make sure you use that to make some stock. Make some delicious beef stock or beef bone broth. So remember, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank y'all for watching. We appreciate you and see you in the next one.